A student takes an 8-question multiple choice exam with 2 choices for each question and guesses on each question. What is the probability of guessing at least 3 out of 8 correctly? First, we'll see that this does in fact fit the criteria for being considered a binomial distribution problem. There is a constant probability of getting each individual question correct, namely 50%. There are a fixed number of trials, that is to say there are 8 questions on this exam. The likelihood of getting any question correct is completely independent from getting any other question correct. And finally, there are 2 possible outcomes, namely the question is either correct or incorrect. To do this problem, instead of using the TI-83, we will use the binomial calculator. Here we have the binomial calculator. The n, in our case, is 8, so we'll change the 10 to an 8. The probability of getting any one question correct is 0.5 or 50%. And we want to know the probability of getting at least 3 correct. So we'll replace the number 5 with the number 3. And from the drop-down menu, select at least. When we hit the compute button, we see that the correct answer is 0.8555 or 85.55%. So that the binomial calculator is a very handy tool to both calculate binomial probabilities as well as understanding the picture of what that binomial probability looks like. Here we can see, for example, that the mean of this binomial distribution is going to be 4, or n times p.